Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing and review of a very unique tool here. This is a keychain multi-tool. This is 24 in 1. So I really wanted to have something like this can be really handy to in an emergency. I wanted to put it in my bike keychain so that I can fix anything, like any small emergencies. I can fix that with this thing. Okay, let me show you what this is and then we'll do the unboxing. So it's, of course, this is Chinese. It's all written in Chinese and English, and it's listed here. So one angle measure, hexagon wrench on back, 1x4-inch drill drive, okay, sawtooth file, measuring ruler, okay, measuring back, cut wire tool, hexagon wrench, bending bike wheel wrench, okay, close wrench on back, close wrench, hang hole, okay, and this wrench is 19 to 24, that is 5 size of wrench are on this one. Okay, what's on the back? I bought this from Amazon. I'll put the link of that below. You can get it from there. The MRP is listed as 999, but you can get this for around 399. And okay, now let us do the unboxing of this. Okay, so packed in foam, nice, shock absorbing material. Okay, so we have something here. Thank you for your purchase. For any issue, call this. Okay, and what is this? Feedback. All right, QR code. Okay, and this is how it looks. All right, nothing else. Nicely packed. So the size is of a big key, and these are the things like the measurement. This is the ruler. Here is the wrench. This is the cutter, and you can hang this in your keychain by this. This is another wrench, and these are the 5 size wrench tools here, and you can do something else with that. So this is nice. Let me just put it in my keychain of my bike and I'll show you. So I have attached this to my keychain, and this is how it looks. It's a little bit bigger than the rest of the keys, but it won't be a problem. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming